Hey guys, Hell Trippers here. Have some blueberries. Hey guys, today we're going to do a gun review on the Echo 1 MRF-C. What it comes with is a stubby foregrip, one high cap, and a 9.6 volt battery with the charger, but I would not recommend using the charger or the battery because mine broke, or did something to the battery and it messed up the gun, but it's all fixed. What I put on it was a silencer. I guess that's like a 4.5-inch silencer. It had a orange tip. It was a pain to get off. They had like glue on it. I put some what are they called? Some rail guards on it, and the gearbox broke in it. It was a version 2. I think I ran it too hard at one of our local fields, so we put another one in it, Echo 1 version 3 gearbox, and put a new barrel in it and a new hop up, and that's it. Alright, so this is how you take the battery out of the stock. There are 2 pins right here, and you just push them in. You gotta wear it out, a little bit, make it easier. And then the battery is right here, and you just put in. And there's also little things right here to take the battery out. I'm not going to fool with it, they're kind of hard to get in. And for you all that don't know, there's a firing pin right here to take out. It's easy to use a pin to push it out with. Kind of easy. Probably not lined up. There we go. Push it out, pull, and probably a good idea to take the silencer off. Make it shorter and easy to work with. And there's the life of a silencer. That's what it sees. Merry Christmas. So you just pull this apart. That's great for the gun, just by the way. Right here is the hop up, and you just pull this out of the gun to access your barrel and the hop up. Now I want to warn you, once you pull it out, it is, and here's the gearbox right here. Don't know how to do this, don't want to know. Take it to somebody, it's easier. Maybe a little bit more expensive, but you might screw it up getting it, trying to get it fixed yourself. Life lessons with Christian Clanton. And how you put it back together is you just fold it down. Make sure these 2 things right here are lined up and actually inside the lower receiver. And you just put the firing pin right back in. Goes this way. And get it in there. And just beat it off. Beat it in. You like that? Yeah. And okay, it'll be in. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned a few things about your gun. You can get this gun pretty much anywhere. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more content. Hey guys, we're having well, there's a plane.